This cleaner is for regular cleaning of luxury vinyl, vinyl plank, VCT, porcelain, ceramic, and natural stone floors. It's made in Canada, eco-friendly, and non-toxic. This cleaner tackles everyday messes effortlessly. We're using the vinyl tile and stone floor cleaner to clean up a mud and food spill on a vinyl tile floor sample. Whether it's a dry or wet mess, the vinyl tile and stone floor cleaner only takes a few seconds to have your floors looking brand new. Using the vinyl tile and stone floor cleaner is simple. Just shake, spray, and mop the messes away. No rinsing required, and it won't leave any residue or streaks. This floor cleaner is safe to use on floors with varnishes, waxes, and acrylic finishes. This cleaner is free from solvents, alcohol, and phosphates. Click the link in the description below to shop vinyl tile and stone floor cleaner and other great FCS products. Thanks for watching.